guys! Welcome to my channel!
Maayong buntag, mga amigo ug mga amiga. So today we're going to study about Cebuano Sentence Pattern 2. So, let's study these examples. There's a picture of 4 handsome men, namely James, Brad, Ryan, and Idris. The sentence after that, or at the bottom of that, is hitsuraan sila si James, Brad, ug Idris. Now, below that, there is a picture of 2 people, namely Tina and Anne. And the sentence below that goes, mauwawon sila si Tina ug Anne. So let's break down the examples. The first sentence says, hitsuraan plus sila si plus James, Brad, Ryan, ug Idris. The second sentence is maawawon plus sila si plus Tina ug Ann. Now, let's find out the meaning of hitsuraan. Hitsuraan means good looking and maawawon means shy. Do you still remember how and when we should use sila si? That's right. When we have plural personal names as subjects or topics in a sentence. When we say topics or subjects in a sentence, it is what the sentence is all about. So in these 2 examples, the first sentence is all about James, Brad, Ryan, ug Idris, while the second sentence is all about Tina, ug Anne. So, it's time to formulate a pattern now. Can you formulate a pattern? Or of course, the first part will be the adjective, basing from our examples. And we need a plural marker because what comes after that is the plural personal names. Do you think you can master that? Of course, no doubt. Now, it's your turn to create pattern 2 sentences from pictures. Remember the pattern. Use the following adjectives to create sentence pattern 2. Here's the list of new adjectives. Rich, adunahan. Kind, buutan. Hardworking, kugihan. Lazy, tapulan. Intelligent, utukan. And there's a plus sign, which means you're going to supply the subject. And you shouldn't forget the marker. Okay, using the same set of adjectives in the previous page, create pattern 2 sentences using the following subjects. You may use the names of your choice. For a really substantial practice and drill, I suggest you use the entire set of adjectives for mastery. Cebuano Sentence Pattern 3 coming up soon. Kung giganahan ka ini nga video, palihog ko og like ug subscribe sa Amping!